Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Jess and I'm so glad that you have clicked on my video, and I really hope that you will click that red subscribe button before you go and become a part of my YouTube fam here. But in today's video we are back at it with another laundry routine. This took me all day to do, and being 9 months pregnant, I think I did pretty well to keep going. But I had already got a load in the dryer and in the washing machine going as I was getting my stuff ready. I pulled everything out. Most of our clothes end up in our bathroom in the master bedroom because that tends to be where our son has his baths as well. So everything was just piled up, and so I had to go and get all that in, take it into the laundry and keep it a-going. But without any more talking from me, I'll just chuck on some music and let the motivation begin. So most of these loads of laundry I ended up hanging out on our line outside. You do see me bring some in towards the end of the video here, but I didn't end up filming most of me hanging it out because I was back and forth and there was a lot of noise because there's houses being built on either side of me, so I couldn't film too much in terms of hanging it out. But you do see me bring it back in and get it folding later on. And just a little reminder to always clean out the lint from your dryer. Always do that every load, and don't forget, because it is a fire hazard and I really do need to clean all of my machines down again, because as I've said before in previous videos, the back door screen door is shut but the glass door stays open, so there's a lot of dirt and dust that comes in through here and it just gets so dirty so quickly, and I really need to get that wiping down. But after folding up this last load of laundry, I was completely and utterly exhausted at this point. So that is everything from me in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!